In this video we will demonstrate how easy it is to create three-dimensional cabin lessons that will provide students with an interactive and immersive training experience. With this tool, CPaT Invent allows you to quickly and easily develop a 3D training experience. Students will be able to interact and become familiar with your cabins using their current devices versus spending limited training funding on expensive VR equipment. In addition, administrators can develop unlimited training scenarios that are specifically designed for your airline. Let me show you how easy it is. After logging into CPaT Invent, simply create a new lesson by clicking on this plus sign to create a lesson with a title and a few other fields that are already populated here for our demo purposes. Now that the lesson is created, create a 3D cabin page for the desired fleet. This takes us to the 3D cabin, where we now need to describe the objectives for the students and create the desired hotspots. This 3D environment allows more than one hotspot, but for today we'll just be demonstrating a single hotspot, which is to locate the fire extinguisher. Now define what you would like the student to do once they select the hotspot. Because the hotspots in the lesson are interactive, click on the interactive activity icon to tell the lesson that the hotspot is an interactive graphic. Now select a halon fire extinguisher from the CPaT Invent Aviation Asset Library. Next, add a smaller hotspot to your current image by creating a green box where you would like the student to click. Then create a task such as asking the student to check the gauge of the fire extinguisher. Now that the fire extinguisher hotspot and objectives have been created, we are ready to place the hotspot in the right location inside the cabin. Today, we will be placing it in the overhead bin near door number 1, where the halon fire extinguisher is typically located. Once the hotspot is placed in your desired location, we are ready to save the lesson and generate a preview. Students are now able to move about the cabin and locate the created hotspot, using the objectives on the right-hand panel to locate the fire extinguisher. Once students select the hotspot, they check the gauge inside the green zone, as directed by the task instructions. Now that the objective is complete, the student will be ready to move on to the next section. In this video, we were able to show you how easy it is to create interactive 3D cabin environments with different hotspots to enhance your cabin crew training. Contact us today to get started.